Welcome to our deep dive into the world of Building Management System, or BMS, graphics. In today's video, we'll explore how the visual front end of a BMS transforms complex building operations into clear, actionable insights. Whether you're an engineer, facility manager, or simply curious about smart buildings, understanding BMS graphics is essential. We'll cover the purpose, types, design principles, and even common mistakes to avoid. By the end, you'll see how effective graphics can make a real difference in safety, efficiency, and user experience. Let's get started by understanding what makes the BMS front end so crucial. The BMS front end, also known as the Graphical User Interface or GUI, is the visual layer that connects users to the building systems. Think of it as the dashboard for your building, where you can monitor, control, and respond to everything from HVAC to lighting. A well-designed front end isn't just about looks, it's about making information accessible and actionable, especially during emergencies. In this scene, we'll see why the front end is the heart of user interaction and how it shapes the overall BMS experience. BMS graphics serve several vital purposes. They enable real-time monitoring of equipment and parameters, allowing users to quickly assess the status of building systems. With intuitive navigation, users can jump between different zones or systems in seconds. Graphics also make it easy to identify alarms and respond immediately, which is critical for safety. Visual displays of trends and controls help users make informed decisions, while interactive elements allow direct control of field devices. Ultimately, BMS graphics bridge the gap between complex data and user-friendly management. There are several types of graphics used in BMS front ends, each serving a unique function. Floor plans overlay equipment on building layouts for easy location tracking. Schematic diagrams, like P, IDs, detail HVAC, or chilled water systems. Dashboards provide summary views with key performance indicators and trends. Equipment pages focus on individual devices, offering direct control and status updates. Advanced systems may even feature 3D or interactive views, giving a more immersive experience. Choosing the right type of graphic is key to effective building management. Great BMS graphics are built on solid design principles. Simplicity is crucial. Clean, uncluttered layouts help users focus on what matters. Consistency ensures that symbols, colors, and fonts are uniform across all pages, reducing confusion. Clarity means using legible text and only showing relevant data, while intuitive navigation lets users drill down from building to zone to device with ease. These principles work together to create a seamless, user-friendly experience that supports both everyday operations and emergency response. Standardization is key in BMS graphics. Using familiar symbols and color schemes helps users quickly interpret information. For example, a running fan might be shown with a green or blue blower icon, while a stopped pump appears gray. Open valves are green, and active alarms flash red. Sensor values are often displayed in digital readout boxes. Following standards like ASHRAE or ISO, when available, ensures that everyone from engineers to operators can understand the graphics at a glance. Modern BMS graphics aren't static, they're dynamic and interactive. Live data binding means that temperatures, pressures, and statuses update in real time. Colors change automatically based on system status or alarms, making issues instantly visible. Animated elements, like rotating fans or flowing pumps, add clarity and realism. Pop-up windows allow users to enter set points or schedules, while alarm icons can be acknowledged with a simple click. These features make the BMS interface not just informative, but truly engaging. Creating effective BMS graphics requires the right tools. Different platforms use specialized software. Schneider's EBO uses TGML, Tritium Niagara offers PX or HTML5 views, Siemens Desigo has a BACnet HMI editor, Honeywell provides WEB's N4 or Excel 5000 graphics, and Carrier iView features Snap Graphics Designer. Each tool has its strengths, but all aim to make graphics creation flexible and powerful. Choosing the right tool depends on your system and project needs. Today's BMS graphics must work seamlessly on all devices, from desktops to tablets and smartphones. Responsive design ensures that graphics adjust to different screen sizes, maintaining usability everywhere. Avoiding outdated technologies like Flash is crucial. Modern systems use HTML5 or SVG for compatibility and performance. Optimizing graphics for fast load times and minimal bandwidth is also important, especially for remote access. This flexibility empowers users to manage buildings anytime, anywhere. Even experienced designers can fall into common traps when creating BMS graphics. Overloading a single screen with too many devices can overwhelm users. Unlabeled or unclear icons lead to confusion and errors. Inconsistent navigation paths make it hard to find information quickly, especially in emergencies. Low contrast color schemes or poor scaling can make graphics hard to read on different screens. Being aware of these pitfalls helps ensure your BMS graphics are both effective and user-friendly. Before going live, every BMS graphic should be thoroughly tested. Check that real-time updates are working and that alarms and color logic function as expected. Ensure drill-down navigation is smooth and intuitive. Test setpoint inputs and verify that access rights are enforced. Finally, validate the graphics on different screen sizes and browsers to guarantee a consistent experience. A comprehensive checklist helps catch issues early, ensuring reliability and user satisfaction. To wrap up, well-designed BMS graphics are more than just visually appealing, they're essential tools for efficient building management. They enhance usability, reduce downtime, and make systems accessible to both technical and non-technical users. Remember, the goal is clarity, functionality, and real-time responsiveness, not just aesthetics. By following standards, applying solid design principles, and avoiding common mistakes, you can create graphics that truly empower users and keep buildings running smoothly. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more insights on smart building technologies.